So I planned on doing a longer workout, but it's freezing outside, and even though I was starting to feel warm, I saw the time and I was like, oh my god, it's already 10:30 and I really need to start my day because I have a lot to do today. So I guess it's fine. My goal is to just move my body more often. Today I have a lot to do. I actually need to finish filming this vlog, and I'm going to prepare some content for later. I want to show you guys for the scenario outfit video. I'm not going to show it, like it's going to show everything here because otherwise it's kind of a spoiler. So I'm just going to show you like very quick because I want to vlog more behind the scenes. I have the glasses mark here. Now the problem is I was going to prepare to go to the shower and just get ready. I wanted to like kind of get ready and stuff, but I just can't pick an outfit, you guys. It's just messing with my mind because I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't pick an outfit because my brain is like, okay, but I need to pick an outfit that won't be part of the scenario outfit video, because then I need to lay them out and take pictures to have like for reference. And so I keep like taking something and be like, that could be a good piece for the scenario outfit, like maybe I could do Kurami with this one, and it's just messing with my brain because I want to dress cute, and at the same time I'm like, I can't wear this and I can't wear this, and so I'm going to end up wearing what I always wear, which is my Animal Crossing hoodie. And I don't know if it's like, I don't think it's wrong to always be wearing this, but like I'm always wearing this hoodie on video and I really wanted to dress up for once and I just can't, and it's just, I'm going to take a decision and then make coffee. It's going to be my reward for getting ready and not like asking too many questions. I'm just going to dress cute and not think about the video and just, yeah. I kind of went all in with the makeup though because it's been a long time, and I'm going to show you my outfit. Yeah, I think you can see better with this light, but I'm trying to show you my outfit. It's just like this turtleneck that I bought like not too long ago, and I've been wearing it a lot because it's very like, it's pastel pink. I don't know if you can see, but it's like more of a fader pink. Anyways, and I have this dress that I haven't worn in a long time because I don't know, I just have a problem with this, but with this shirt I feel like it's okay. And also this that I never wear, and I was like, okay, it's just like, oh my god, no. I was gonna say I'm going to take advantage of the sun because when the sun comes to this side of the house, there's like an angle of sunshine over there. I'm gonna show you, but it's so pretty, and I don't know, I visualized having my profile picture as like for the podcast. I don't know how to explain that, but basically I'm like doing the branding of my podcast, and also I was thinking about posts that I wanted to take like pictures. I can't pick between these two aesthetics that I want, and it's the first one with this sunshine and the pink and the cute outfit and like plants, and with, you know, here for reference, or something more lo-fi at my desk with LED lights and just very, oh my god, clouds, and just very soft and very lo-fi and pastel. Anyways, so I just can't make up my mind, so I'm first going to shoot with this kind of aesthetic with like the sunshine, the plants. I'm going to go set up the decor, and later when I get my LEDs on the wall, because it's still not done. Anyways, enough rambling. I'm going to set the decor, put maybe just a hoodie. I don't know what kind of aesthetic I want for, like, I know the aesthetic but I don't know the outfit. Maybe keep the hoodie for the lo-fi aesthetic and maybe the white dress for this one. I don't know, I'll see. Okay, I need to move quickly because the sun is just going on and off, and I'm just, yeah. Obviously the mic. the coffee, of course. It's just like I'm trying to mix my aesthetics, so like I'm still bringing a little bit of cute pink, you know. I don't know if you can see, but this is the outfit. I put a little bow behind because it's gonna be a picture from behind, and I'm loving this. It's giving me silky vibes, you guys. Silky. I'm really serious about saving for a silky dress. This is another goal of mine. The stuff from the DIY video is just sitting there, and I'm so lazy, but I should really do it. Like, look, they're all dry. I could just do it, you know. Gosh. I made my comfort food, which is egg sandwich with sriracha and a cold iced, not really iced, actually just cold latte. We don't have ice, so it's just cold milk, but it tastes so good with the new coffee we got. It's just so good. It tastes like the ones from Starbucks. Also, I'm just going to check this because I did it, and now it's time. Oh my god. And now it's time for some Netflix show. I've been watching Rick and Morty lately because I like it. You guys, I'm so sad. I was really excited about having my comfort food and watching my comfort show because yes, Rick and Morty is one of my comfort shows. And I forgot that I actually finished it like 3 days ago. I thought there would be more, but it was obviously the last episode of the season 5. Now I don't know what to watch. I really need to do my eyebrows. I feel like I did them like not too long ago, but it's still like here. I still have to redo them. I was supposed to be filming my outfit video. I want to film an outfit video. I want to also do them like reels. It's like a lot of organization, but I really wanted to do that today and start filming the video, but it's gloomy outside. So I've been sitting there for like the past 2 hours trying to just get my footage on my laptop, and I just can't figure out how to do it. It used to be so simple, and now I don't know why my laptop is just like freaking out and it's just not working. Like, I have no explanation. It shows me this error message like we couldn't export that or something like that, and I tried so many options. Like, I did it with another thing and didn't anyways, but I just wanted to quickly end the vlog because I realized I didn't. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for sticking until the end, and I will see you next time. Bye.